Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Warnside reward chart. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. It comes with a reward chart and also a dry erase marker that has an eraser on the lid. The reward chart is magnetic, which I like because I can put it on the door or on the fridge or basically any metal surface that magnets can stick to. It is also waterproof and easy to wipe off without leaving any marks. The actual size of the chart is 8 inches by 10 inches. This specific chart is game themed, but they also have some different other themes like unicorn or dinosaurs. So you have options depending on what your children like. You can use this for all kinds of purposes, either for schoolwork, if you're doing homeschooling, chores around the house, potty training, or in our situation, we are using it to encourage piano practice for my son. There are 23 different boxes that my son can mark off every day that he practices the piano. And then when he completes everything on his chart, he gets to pick his favorite treat. Overall, my son has really liked this chart and it has helped him get excited to be able to mark it off every day on the chart. If you are in the market for a bright, colorful, reusable reward chart to help encourage your kids, be sure to take a look at this.